Hello guys, welcome to another day in the life. My name is Claudia. If it's your first time here, welcome to Nusha Styles. I make videos about fashion, lifestyle, the whole nine yards. I'm a single mother of one. I live in the UK. I hope you enjoyed this video enough to subscribe. Enjoy. Oh, she has a full access to the whole house. Oh, we see here. Oh, oh, we have bedding and a sofa. Let's see the day. Let's say good morning to. Oh my God, what is this? Papers hanging. Like we're looking at jumpers.
My zone, leave my zone.
You created your own habitat.
Yes.
Away from what? Where is the vase or vase?
Behind that green curtain.
Behind the green curtain. Why is that? The decoration changed. What happened to it? Why?
I got bored, so I decided to.
You got bored of my decoration.
Yeah.
This is ridiculous. Guys, actually, our internet got cut off. Can you believe it? I didn't pay for it. Yes, I
That's
did.
why I moved things around. I got
So we have got sleepers and plates. That's what happens if you stay in bed until 10 in the morning and you have a 10-year-old girl. Guys, my daughter is so funny. She's a funny little thing, she is. I love her to pieces though. She dragged the quilt into the living room and the laptop as well. And she made her little area there so she can enjoy the quietness without me and noticing that she is using the laptop in the morning. I know. And she's doing that. Was it Gacha Life?
Gacha online.
My God, this is your little office area? Yeah. Okay. Oh, what is it wait? So I'm just checking here what is there to be done. I've got laundry, I've got dishes, and yeah. Let's start the day. Let's just see how things are outside first. It's foggy and not very sort of the type of day that you want to get up and go, but gotta be done. My internet got cut off, so I'm here having a chat with my daughter. Told her that I paid for it, and yeah, just checking. She's having plate, sleepers on the plate. It's a different type of sandwich, I suppose. Guys, seen my balcony. A big reveal. No, I'm not talking to you right now. Okay. Guys, as you can see, my window is being pooped on by the birds. The birds,
I just
they
decided
made
to poop on the window.
this place their habitat. Say,
This is the worst one we've had so far.
no, I'm not looking at the worst poo right now. I really don't want to look at the worst poo with my empty stomach. Actually, yeah, I don't. Right, okay.
Back in my habitat.
Oh my days. Okay. So much to do, guys. Let's start with a cup of coffee first. I might watch somebody, sometimes you watch people that
Miss
just
Judy.
makes you, no, that makes
Miss
you,
Judy.
she's great, but
Donna Hubia.
yeah, it makes you
Another
happy.
Kia.
Just to get my day going type of thing. All right, peeps.
You know that, Mama? Fun fact. I'm not sure if you knew this or not, but did you know? You know how zebras are white and they have black stripes? What if I told you that they were black with white stripes? Mama, zebras are actually black with white stripes. You know that, right?
Great point.
Zebras are actually black with white stripes.
I believe you.
Not the other way around.
Not girlfriend.
What the hell?
Oh, oh, well, because of you.
Hey! No, it's wet. I don't want to be wet.
No. from Primark. Before that, shall we put a wig on? Put your wig on, girlfriend. How do you look? Do I look like a hairy baby? Okay. You know, this cleaning thing is a process. You can just wake up and start cleaning. So, we are in this YouTube world. So, we have to fake it until we make it. Ooh, about to fall. So, we have got this Isis wig. Is it Isis? Yes, Isis. You can wear like this, like, you know, it's very dense. Definitely give the D for dense there. And yeah, so guys, before cleaning, you're getting some beauty tips for me today. So, very youthful. You can say it is. Guys, I woke up weirdly today. Don't know. But let's say I woke up feeling weird. In a good, positive way. Jolie. Christmas, yes, Christmas is coming up. Around the corner. And how do I feel about Christmas? Let's talk about this. I used to love Christmas very much when I was in my home country. Loved Christmas. My family was there, friends, neighbours, people that saw me being born. They were there. They are there. Some of them passed away now. I've been here 21 years. I know. I don't look old. I know. So that means I came here quite young. Well, guys, I feel like I most time alone, but I'm never lonely. You know, if you know what I mean. I'm never lonely, right? I mean, it's been many years, 21 years. I mean, you're gonna get used to this. There's no other way. I mean, humans can adapt, okay? It was tough in the first 5 years. After that, I'm just numb to it, you know? I don't think much about it unless people talking, oh, why are you alone? Can come over. You know, I get invited to colleagues, work colleagues. I work with these amazing brands and I've got a lot of amazing friends. But I just prefer to stay in my own space. And all these years has been like this. In my 20s, I had a fiance, which my daughter is a result of that. I was with her father for over a decade, which was a mistake. Look at these guys, that's retinol from Primark. People tend to use retinol before bed, but we're not going anywhere. And I mean, I might pop to the African shop. There's a Congolese shop. I want to buy the hot chicken. What do you call gizzard? Gizzard or gizzard? Oh gosh, I don't know. But if I was going to translate that in Portuguese, is galinha da mata. So it's like those wild chicken, okay? Like the hard one that take hours to cook. So I'm gonna go and get that because I want to make muamba, which is a traditional African food with peanuts and that. But yes, guys, so this is the retinol from Primark. What does retinol do? It renews cells. It kind of exfoliates as well. It kind of exfoliates the skin as well, if I'm not mistaken. And it has got great properties to it. You know, when you're 30 something, you want to start looking after your skin, girlfriend. So yeah, Christmas is just nice for my little girl. I enjoy watching the movies and cooking as well. I cook and I have a nice table and I'll just eat gradually throughout the week. So that's that. Back to the retinol. Can you guys see? It just soaks in. It's not oily. it looks oily in a jar, but it's not oily, as you guys can see. Oh my god, we got some monkeys living up here. Joke. Neighbors are making noises. So yeah, Christmas is just that. You know, it's a lot of people's favorite season, favorite holiday, and it used to be mine, but not anymore. But we roll with the punches, guys. We roll the punches. Next you good. Come on, guys. I'm on my 30s, so my next you the same when I was 20. Guys, I got some bougie on a budget video coming up for you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Guys, I'm just barely here killing time. I'm thinking, oh, so much work to get done. A lot of cleaning today, but let's crack.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing. It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
donate this?
I want to see if it says the tap.
You don't play with none of this stuff.
I remember this, we used to lift the elevator.
Guys, try not to be poor because you'll be dealing with that noise that you hear. Okay, so what we have here, thickness of the foil that needs to be removed from here because we're gonna need this for Christmas cooking, won't I? And then we have another one that I made some type of pork and I was lazy to clean straight away. Yeah, not fun, is it? Not fun. Let's crack on with this. Be back.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Few hours later, I have cooked, made caldeirada, which is like a stew, steak stew. I seasoned with white wine. It's like meat, diced beef basically, potatoes, olives, carrots, broccoli, bay leaf. I mean, it's just so tasty. Gonna have that for dinner with my girl, and we're going to close this video very soon. We've managed to clean the dishes as well. Yeah, so guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.